A home battery is a 10-year commitment and worth thousands of dollars. Pick the wrong one and you're stuck with a brand that might not exist in 5 years. Pick the right one and it can transform your energy bill. I'm Marty from Photonic. In this video, I'll walk through the batteries people are actually installing right now, region by region, and what to watch out for when choosing one. The battery market looks completely different in Australia compared to the US, the UK or South Africa. The leading brands aren't the same, the prices aren't the same, and what matters most to buyers isn't the same either. In Australia, there are over 50 battery brands competing. Sigenergy, a company most people hadn't heard of 2 years ago, is now the #1 brand by market share, overtaking Sungrow and Tesla. The federal battery rebate has really accelerated things there. The US is the opposite. Tesla's Powerwall holds around 60% of the market. Add Enphase and those two brands cover over 90% of residential installs. In the UK, Give Energy, a local brand, is one of the most popular, with Tesla, the premium alternative, and Sigenergy growing fast. South Africa is unique. Load shedding has made batteries almost essential, not optional. You see a mix of international and locally made brands, Pylon Tech, Deye and Hubble, and also Freedom One, which are manufactured in Johannesburg. And in Germany and the EU, performance-tested systems carry more weight. BYD, Huawei, and Fronius are among the most popular. The point is, there's no single best battery. It depends on your region, your inverter, your budget, and what you value most. Let me run you through 7 systems that are worth knowing about. Sigenergy is the fastest growing battery brand globally. Their all-in-one system combines a hybrid inverter, modular battery, and an optional bi-directional EV charger. No other brand offers all three in one unit right now. Founded by former Huawei engineers, the big question mark is longevity. The product is still relatively new. Sungrow SBR. This is the steady performer. It was the #1 battery in Australia in 2024 and remains one of the most installed globally. Modular, efficient, 100% usable capacity. The trade-off, you're locked into Sungrow inverters, which isn't a problem for most installers because Sungrow inverters are really well regarded. Tesla Powerwall 3 is the name everyone knows. 13.5 kilowatt hours, built-in solar inverter, excellent backup power. It dominates in the US, and in Australia it's been losing share, partly because it only comes in one size. It's less flexible than modular options. Also, it's a premium product and it comes at a premium price. BYD pioneered the modular tower battery and remains one of the most trusted names, especially in Europe. Their systems are compatible with more inverter brands than almost anything else. Fronius, SMA, Victron, and Goodwe. Track record is long, though the warranty is modest compared to newer competitors. AlphaESS SMILE has quietly built a strong position. Over 200,000 systems are installed worldwide. It's DC coupled, modular, competitively priced, a solid value tier option with improving local support. Deye, already one of the most popular hybrid inverter brands in the world, also sold as SunSynk and Sol-Ark in different markets. Their newer battery systems have impressed in early reviews. One teardown described the engineering as incredibly oversized and thought out. Still proving itself as a battery brand, but the inverter track record gives confidence. Ruixu. It's one to keep an eye on. 16 kilowatt hours, 9,500 claim cycles, outdoor rated, built-in wheels, and it even has an aerosol fire extinguisher. It's a newer brand and lacks long-term testing data, but specs and early installer feedback have been positive. Now, a quick word on pricing, because the range is enormous. A premium all-in-one system can cost more than double a value tier battery for the same storage capacity. Premium usually means longer warranty, proven track record, and established support. Value means lower upfront cost, but more uncertainty. The solar industry has seen this play out before. When cheap inverter brands entered the market a decade ago, many failed within a few years. Getting a warranty claim sorted was difficult. Some brands had no local presence at all, and the same risk exists with budget batteries today. There's a meaningful difference between value and budget. Brands like AlphaESS, Deye, and Ruixu sit in the value range. Competitive pricing from credible companies. Below that, the budget tier has new entrants with limited history. If a price seems too good to be true, ask this: who backs the warranty, and will they still be here in 5 years' time? The best way to compare batteries isn't spec sheets, it's modelling the actual financial outcome for your home. Photonic is a free solar and battery design tool that lets you try different battery options and see how each one affects your payback, savings, and self-consumption for your address, your usage, and your tariffs. You can try it at photonic.solar. And if you want to go further, use it to get a quote from a reputable local installer who can help you navigate all of this. I'd love to hear what you're seeing. If you're an installer, what batteries are you recommending right now? If you're a homeowner, what option did you go with and how's it going? Drop a comment below or join the conversation on our forum. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.